Yeah? By the way, Scientist Edge, can you tell your audience why you're dressed as Ash Ketchum today?
Because it's Pokemon Day.
It's Pokemon Day! So we have Pokemon Trainer Scientist Edge showing you guys how his Magna-Tiles work.
So, what I'm building is a house.
You're building a house. You're gonna show people just how good your building skills are, because they're pretty impressive for your age.
Okay. Uh-oh.
It's okay, we'll pick it up later. Keep building.
One there.
Wow.
And done!
Wow, do you want to add anything else? You can put a little bit more. You have time.
Okay. Done.
You don't want to put anything around here?
No.
No? Okay. So what's the name of the house?
Science experiment.
Science experiment. Cool. All right, is there anything you want to tell your audience before we end the video?
If you like my video, give me a thumbs up.
Oh, okay. Yeah, they'll definitely give you a thumbs up. All right, everybody. Stay tuned for the next video.